Hello and welcome to Rush Deck Garage. Hey, today we're in Reno, Nevada. We're on our way to Scottsdale, Arizona to the Barrett-Jackson auto auction, the classic car auto auction where they have 1,900 cars selling at no reserve. So ride along with us. We're going to be traveling from Reno here to Las Vegas today, and then we'll be going on to Scottsdale tomorrow. Along the way, I like to take pictures of potential projects such as this 56 Chevrolet two-door post. And this Chevrolet half-ton short bed C10 with a cab in the back of it. I'm not sure why the cab in the back of that truck was in there, because the truck really was pretty rust-free, the best that I could see up there in this high desert. And when I see a truck like this with what I call near-perfect patina, this is really what I see. A truck like this, United by Trucks. Now, it'd take a lot of work to get this truck not looking like this, as the truck that Teddy built looked like. He put a lot of hard work into it, lowered it down, wheels and tires, completely redid the chassis, but an awesome looking truck. And I think that this truck here has the potential to look like that. Even that hood can be saved. I also ran across some of these really awesome farm trucks, such as this International and an old Ford there, and an old Dodge in the background there. But this International, the colors on this truck and the patina on it is just really awesome. It could look similar to this little International KB1. And then this 1961 Chevrolet short step side pickup alongside of this 67 or 68 Chevrolet Impala. And the gentleman that owned these cars also had several other cars in the neighborhood in an interesting place. He had this 1979 Chevrolet Scottsdale half-ton short bed four-wheel drive that appeared to be in some very nice shape. I didn't see any rust in it, not in the cab corners, not in the rockers, or anything like that. And several other old pickups there. He also had this old van, another Ford pickup, and here's another Chevrolet C10 half-ton long bed. This is just a straight, really clean old truck. Kind of an interesting neighborhood. We then continued on into Tonopah, Nevada, which also had a lot of old mining history. In Tonopah, the buildings were from turn of the century or older, but they're really cool looking. Nothing has changed in this town for many, many years. The town kind of strung on for quite a ways, and we didn't spend much time taking a look around looking for any old cars or anything. Just cruised on through. But we got up into the high desert to a town called Goldfield. And there were some really cool trucks here in Goldfield, such as that red GMC half-ton short wide box 4x4 there. And then on down the road a little ways there, this guy had a bunch of interesting signs and stuff placed all over his shop and his house. A lot of old trucks out there in these small towns around. You get up in this higher elevation. Goldfield's at about 6,000 feet of elevation. So anyways, we're continuing on here. I'm going to be in Vegas here in a couple hours and look around down there. And tomorrow we'll head on to Phoenix to the Barrett-Jackson auction.
So cool.
What's up, guys? You guys gotta get out of the road. Well, we only stayed one night in Las Vegas, but it was pretty cool. And on the next day, we'll be going to Laughlin, Nevada, on over to Bullhead City, Arizona. But in Laughlin, Nevada, we stop at the Laughlin Classic car collection and check it out at their casino. Pretty cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you would, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And that'd really help us out. And we'll catch you next time at Rusty Duck Garage.
She's all right.